Hello everyone, I am Manisha, faculty of MBA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on the topic traits or qualities of a successful entrepreneur. Successful business people have many traits in common with one another. They are confident and optimistic, they are disciplined, self-starters, they are open to any new idea which cross their paths. Here I am going to discuss with you minimum 10 traits of the successful entrepreneur. Number 1 is disciplined. These individuals should be focused on making their business work and eliminate any hindrances or distractions to their goals. They have overarching their strategies and outline the tactics to accomplish them. Successful entrepreneurs are disciplined enough to take steps every day towards the achievement of their objectives. The second trait is confidence. The entrepreneur does not ask questions about whether they can succeed or whether they are worthy of success. They are confident with the knowledge that they will make their business succeed. They should execute their confidence in everything they do. The third trait which an entrepreneur should possess is open-minded. Entrepreneurs realize that every event and situation is a business opportunities. Ideas are constantly being generated about workflows and efficiency, people, skills and potential new businesses. They have the ability to look at everything around them and focus it towards their goal. The next quality which the entrepreneur should possess is self-starter. Entrepreneurs know that if something needs to be done, they should start it themselves. They set the parameters and make sure that projects follow the path. They are proactive, not waiting for someone to give them permission. The next quality is competitive. Many companies are formed because an entrepreneur knows that they can do a job better than another. They need to win at the sports they play and need to win at the business that they create. An entrepreneur will highlight their own company's track record of success. Another quality which an entrepreneur should have, that is creativity. One fact of creativity is being able to make connections between seemingly unrelated events or situations. Entrepreneurs often come up with solutions which are the synthesis of other items. They will repurpose products to market them to new industries. The next quality is determination. Entrepreneurs are not thwarted by their defeats. They look at defeat as an opportunity for success. They are determined to make all their endeavors succeed, so will try and try again until it does. Successful entrepreneurs do not believe that something cannot be done. Another quality is strong people skills. The entrepreneur has strong communication skills to sell the product and motivate employees. Most successful entrepreneurs know how to motivate their employees so the business grows overall. They are very good at highlighting the benefits of any situation and coaching others to their success. The next quality is strong work ethics. The successful entrepreneur will often be the first person to arrive at the office and the last one to leave. They will come in on their days off to make sure that an outcome meets their expectations. Their mind is constantly on their work, whether they are in out or of the workplace. The last but not the least quality is passion. Passion is the most important trait of the successful entrepreneur. They genuinely love their work. They are willing to put in their extra hours to make the business succeed because there is a joy this business gives when goes beyond the money. The successful entrepreneur will always be reading and researching ways to make the business better. At the end, I can say that successful entrepreneurs wants to see what the view is like at the top of the business mountain. Once they see it, they want to go further. They know how to talk their employees and their business soar as a result. Here I am ending my topic, that is quality of a successful entrepreneur. I hope you guys understand the topic. For more videos like this, Please subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you very much.